Hey guys, family. I'm making this video to show you guys some of my plants on the balcony. This is my what? Duh. Pineapple mint. Look how big it's gotten. I'm gonna put the before picture so you guys can see how big this thing has grown. And I've already cut it, and it's taken back off again. This is one of those dollar store, I think I shared this with you guys, dollar store containers I've got now. And this right here is a propagated piece that I cut, took from it. I had a little root on this one too, so cutting, rooted, propagated pineapple mint. And it smells good too. Okay, so I'm gonna try and turn this camera around so I can be in the video for a minute. Let's see here. Hope you guys can see me. Hey family, hope y'all can see what's in my background. I started doing some crafting. I don't know if y'all can see it. If you can, I'm gonna know because I gotta check the video anyway, I guess. So y'all can see my plants back there and my little people. My little faces. I guess y'all can see them. And see me too. Hello. Hey family, how y'all doing? Just doing a gardening video. I'm gonna share some plants that I propagated, and I'm going to do a little update on the ones that I just got through doing a what was it, 2-3 days ago. I just did some plants, I propagated them, and I'm gonna let you guys see how firm the succulents are doing great. The pothos is hanging in there, and also I propagated a small piece of my creeping Charlie down there. Got the camera on it. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to letting y'all see the propagated plants that I did. Hold on a second, because I'm only working with one hand, and hope everybody being safe, because y'all know we all got these protests going on. No justice, no peace. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all see the all these little plants up here that I propagated. The succulents are hanging in there. I know y'all hear background noise, somebody cutting their grass. And this spider plant here, it needs some tender loving care so it can get its color back. I need to water it. But look how firm my succulents are. I guess, what, a couple of days, 2-3 days, and they're still hanging in there. They're still setting up. I don't do hardly anything to these succulents. I got them trained over here. I just break them off and stick them in the dirt. Well, I guess it has to do with my soil too. Oh, and this right here is a watch chain. Watch chains are beautiful, but they grow wild. And then this is the pothos, what I did with the coffee grounds. Look at that one firm leaf, and that right here is the creeping Charlie. It just took off immediately. It's got new leaves on it. I don't know if y'all can see good, hopefully, but the pothos, we shall see. It need a little bit more time, but that's all right. I'll just show everything. But that creeping Charlie, boy, I just poked that in the dirt, and that thing just taking off. It don't take no time. Hopefully the pineapple mint will take off as well, because I just did that yesterday. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you guys the propagated plants. And Hopefully they still keep on doing good. Here go that other one that I did the cuttings. I took that mother of 1,000. I chopped it completely down, and I put a piece of this jade plant in there right there. It's pretty big. I got it off of that plant right there. With the rosettes in it. That's my baby right there. Well, everything's going pretty good. I really like this plant right here. I did know all the names of my plants, but sometimes I just forget. The hens and the chickens back there. There it is. That's the hen and chicken. I did propagate some of that. That is, I think these right here, these little babies there, that's the hens and the chickens that I stuck in this. All right, let me turn the camera back around. Okay guys, that's about it for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check out my other gardening videos, crafting, cooking, whatever little cooking I did, my pantry hauls, anything y'all want to check out, just check it out. Give me some support. I'll show you support, and y'all be safe, and if you're protesting, no justice, no peace. Y'all take care, and until the next couple of days, I guess I'll come back. I guess I'm gonna give y'all a shot on my little daisies. All I have is yellow. I'm so disappointed in my sunflower plant. All I'm getting is yellow. I keep calling them daisies. All I'm getting is yellow sunflowers, and they're tiny as hell, and I'm very disappointed. They're not like the ones I had in my Something Great Has Happened video with my large sunflowers. Next time, I'm gonna make sure I get seeds that will grow me some huge sunflowers. All right, let me turn this camera around. Junky over there, but all you see is the little yellow, those sunflowers. Disappointed.